cut short, it's 5 o'clock. Na timing po sa traffic. Alam mo, I advise you sinong darating? Si Pope. Gusto ko tawagan. Pope, putang ina ka, umuwi ka na. Baka na magbisita dito na. So just simply kidnap and wala na.
You think you can fix these?
Yeah. When I said I'll stop criminality, I'll stop criminality. And if I have to kill you, I will kill you. Personally.
Tonight, let it be known unto all Filipinos that the Almighty Father has appointed a president for this nation. He is no other than Lindbergh Gilbert Figueroa.
Pastor, you should have had faith.
Ano? You know, ang revelation ko naman talaga no, si Noy, pero I have given my word to Kibo.
Oo nga eh. Oh, see, Pastor, you should have had faith. Ano?
You know, ang revelation ko naman talaga no, si Noy, pero I have given my word to Kibo.
Oo nga eh.
So to the members of this guy, who is now declared a blasphemer in the kingdom of God, you have 6 months to leave that group. If you won't leave that group, you will be included in his judgment. You will all be ushered to hell when you die, or while you're still alive, your soul is already marked for destruction. So that the group of this leader, I am telling you, get out. Lahat sa inyo na mananatili dyan, bibigyan ko kayo ng 6 months, umalis kayo dyan. Kung di kayo alis dyan, kung ano ang kanyang kaparusahan, ganyan din ang tatanggapin nyo. So this group of Eli Soriano, of the Dating Daan, your leader is already damned and judged, because it is not our fault, it is his fault. Because last night a revelation came to me. He is declared here and there in the kingdom of heaven and in the kingdom of heaven on earth, that this guy has crossed the point of no return. He is a blasphemer. He has committed the unforgivable sin. So that I will tell you how that revelation came to me and what will happen to him. He will be inflicted with a deadly, serious disease he cannot overcome. And it will eat up his guts. What a sore punishment for a man who is hard-headed.